How to increase your Snapchat score. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can increase your Snapchat score. So, first of all, open your Snapchat app. And now, tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. Now, this right over here is your Snap score. So, mine is currently 129,156. So, in order to increase our Snap score, there are basically two ways on how you can increase your Snap score. The first one is by receiving and opening snaps other people have sent you. And the second one is sending a snap yourself. Those are the only two ways on how you can increase your Snap score. So let me show you right over here. Let us open the snap everybody has sent me. And now, let's send a snap ourselves. Now, if you want to increase your Snap score by a lot, you'll have to select a lot of people whom you send a snap to. And now, once you've selected people, let's send this snap. And now once we have opened all of the snaps and also sent the snap, let's close our Snapchat app and then let's open our app once again. Now let's go to our profile on the top left corner of the screen. And now if you see my Snap score, it went up from 129,156 to 129,213. So that is basically how you increase your Snap score on Snapchat. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.